Good, good morning, students. Welcome back to your e-learning classroom. Students, as you know, your revision classes are going on and all of you are busy in your revision class. It is very necessary to revise all the chapters for the coming examination. Today, myself, Vanita, once again here with your maths class. I am also going to give you revision of some previous chapter which I have taught earlier. Already I have completed the revision of number system. Today I am going to start the revision of problem sums of addition and subtraction. Be ready for it. Take out your notebook and start your work with me. My dear children, let's start the word problem. The first question is, example is given here. I am going to explain this all examples. First one is, there are 54,463 men and 26,725 women and 11,052 children in a town. Find the population of the town. Means you have to find out the total number of men, women and children in the town. Solution is given here with the statement. Note down, write the number of men, the number of women and number of children. Then you add it and then in the last you will get the total population of the town. Example number 2. Rita and Pooja are friends. Both of them collect postal stamps. Pooja has 2,150 postal stamps and Rita has 262 stamps. More than Pooja. How many stamps does Rita have? So here keep it in your mind. First you note down the number of stamps of Pooja, that is 2,150, and Rita has 262 more stamps than Pooja. So add 262 stamps with the stamps of Pooja, and after adding whatever you are getting, that is the number of stamps of Rita. So this is 2,412 is the final answer. Students, these are the word problems. Some questions I have solved and some questions I have given you to do yourself. The first question is, 29,456 candidates passed in first examination and 57,281 candidates failed. How many candidates appeared in the examination? So first you write number of passed candidates, that is 29,456. Number of failed candidates 57,281. Now add it, then you will get the total number of candidates, that is 86,737. Next question, the cost of black and white TV is rupees 3,690. The cost of color TV is 12,810 more than the cost of black and white TV. Find the total cost of both the TV sets. So first you write the cost of black and white TV, that is 3,690. Now the cost of color TV is 12,810 more than black and white TV. So first you add cost of black and white TV and more cost of color TV, and that is equal to 16,500. Now your second step, you have to find out the total cost of both TV. So first you write the cost of color TV, that is 16,500, and then cost of black and white TV, that is 3,690. You add both the cost, then you will get the cost of color TV, that is equal to 20,190. This is your final answer. Students, next one is, What is the sum of largest number of 4 digits and sum of smallest number of 4 digits? So write down first the smallest 5-digit number, that is 10,000, and largest 4-digit number, that is 9,999. You add both the number, then you will get the final answer, that is equal to 19,999. Now question number 4. In a football match, 16,432 people in the first row, 18,695 in second row, and 22,748 people in the third row. Total number of people in the stadium. So write down people in first row, people in second row, people in third row. Now add the whole, then you will get the total number of people, that is equal to 57,875. This is your final answer. Next question are given here and you have to do yourself. Question is, a library has 45,768 books of science, 3,547 books on math, and 76,641 books on other subjects. How many books are there in the library? It means you have to find out the number of books in the library. So write down the number of books of science, math and other subjects, add it, then you will get the answer. Next question. What is the number 1,526 more than 72,569? So first number is 72,569 and more number is 1,526. Add both the number, then you will get the final number. In this way, you can solve your sum. Dear students, now word problems related with the subtraction, addition are given the revision of addition. Now start the subtraction. The first example is, there are 62,438 bags of rice in a godown. Out of these, 15,259 bags were sent to different markets for sale. How many bags of rice remain in the godown? So first, start the solution. Total number of bags is 62,438 and number of bags sent for sale, that is 15,259. We subtract 15,259 from first one, then you will get the answer. And after subtracting, we are getting 47,179. It means the 47,179 bags of rice remain in the godown. Now example 2, Mr. Gupta monthly salary is itna and 12,530. His wife earns 50 less than Mr. Gupta. Find the monthly salary of Mrs. Gupta. First you write the monthly salary of Mr. Gupta, that is equal to 12,530 and his wife is getting 550 less than Mr. Gupta. So you subtract rupees 550 from the salary of Mr. Gupta, then you will get the final salary of Mrs. Gupta, that is equal to 11,980. So you can write in the answers column, the monthly salary of Mrs. Gupta is 11,980. My dear students, these all are the problem sums of subtraction. Your first question is 62,438 bags of rice in a godown. Out of these, 15,259 bags were sent to different markets for selling. How many bags of rice remain in the godown? So first you write the total number of bags and then bags sent for the sale. You subtract it and then you will get the answer. And your answer is here 47,179. So write down 47,179 bags were remain in the godown. Next one. There are 48,570 plants in a nursery. Its adjoining nursery has 51,257 plants. Which nursery has more plants and by how much? So first you write the number of plants in adjoining nursery. 51,257 257. The number of plants in first nursery, that is 48,570. So more plants in first adjoining nursery is 2,687. In answer column, you have to write adjoining nursery has more plants by 2,687. Dear students, in this slide, sums are given and you have to do yourself. So many sums I have explained. Some questions I have given you for your practice and do it yourself. Students, some more practice set is also given here. So see it and how I have done, and then you will do it in your copy. The question is, the girls had 3 weeks to sell tickets for their play. In the first week, they sold 75 tickets. In the second week, they sold 108 tickets. And in the third week, they sold 210 tickets. Find out the total number of tickets they sell in all. So first you write tickets sold in first week, tickets sold in second week, and tickets sold in third week. Total number of tickets sold, add the whole tickets, and its answer is 393 tickets were sold in all. Next one, Mr. Bose spent rupees 450 for petrol on Wednesday. He spent rupees 125 more than that on Thursday. How much did he spend the petrol on those each days? So first you write money spent for petrol on Thursday, that is 450 plus 125. Now money spent for petrol on both days. Add the both and then you will get the final consumption of petrol, that is equal to 1025. Now students, question number 3. The population of town is 16,732 and there are 9,569 males. Then find out the number of females. So first you write population of the town, that is 16,732, and then number of males, that is equal to 9,569. Now you subtract the number of males, then you will get the number of females. Here 7,153 is the number of females in the town. Next one, in a factory there are 35,675 workers, 10,750 workers come in the first shift, 12,650 workers in the second shift, and the rest comes in the third shift. How many workers come in the third shift? So first you write the number of workers coming in first and second week, that is equal to 23,400. So workers coming in third shift. So first you write the number of workers, total number of workers, that is equal to 35,675. Now you subtract the number of workers of both shifts, that is 23,400. Now subtract and then final answer is 12,375 workers are coming in the third shift. Now my dear students, I have given you some more practice set. You do it in your copy and practice it for your perfection. So first one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth questions are given. This is based on addition. What problems based on addition? All of you will write the statement and then you will add it and then you will write the answers in the answer column. First example I am only explaining. In a school there are 458 boys and 524 girls. Find the number of students in the school. Only you will write the statement and do it. In this way you can solve the whole question. My dear children, same way in this slide, problem sums of subtraction is given here. So all of you will do it. Already I have explained earlier process statement, how you will write. Earlier I explained it. Now I think the concept is clear and you can do yourself. These all are the practices you have to do. First you do it, and then if there is any query, then ask to me. This is all about the classwork and homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.